With this Geometry Nodes tool, you can generate animated swarms of bugs in your 3D scenes. The product comes with 30 different objects of animated bugs, all pre-set up in Blender's asset browser with customizable values. After you set up the asset library in Blender's user preferences, you can just drag and drop the assets into your project to quickly fill your scenes with bug swarms. The Geometry Nodes uses many different low-poly pre-animated bug 3D models, which are also included in the asset library Blender file. The Geometry Nodes generates those bug 3D models flying around the object. Now there are 3 different movement types for each bug. There's the swarm type, where swarms of bugs swarm around the object's geometry. There's the along curve type, where a bug swarm can be animated along a curve. And there's the never-ending type, which generates constant bugs flying along a curve. For the swarm type, the bugs swarm around the object's geometry, so you can easily go into edit mode and model any shape you want, and the bugs will swarm around that shape. You can also shape the geometry around other objects, so the bugs fly around that object. So this type is great, for example, a swarm of flies. For the along curve type, you can use the custom values to animate a swarm of bugs along a curve. You can also go into edit mode of the curve to edit the curve handles and control the direction of the bugs. So this type is great, for example, a swarm of bees moving along together in a group. For the never-ending type, it also follows a curve, so you can edit the curve handles in edit mode to control the location. But this type has constant bugs that never end. So this type is great, for example, a large constant swarm of locusts. All of the Geometry Node setups are customizable on the modifier side panel. You can control things like the amount of bugs, distance from center, noise movement settings, the scale of the bugs, the speed of the bugs, the rotation speed, animation along the curve, and more settings. The product includes 10 different bug types, including honeybees, locusts, gnats, moths, bumblebees, wasps, flies, mosquitoes, fireflies, and termites. And if you have your own animated bug 3D models, you can add them into a collection and then choose that collection on the Geometry Nodes modifier settings to change the bug type. To read more about the product and to purchase, you can find all the product links in the video description.